Restricted zone reached. Restricted.
Hey guys, Montana Drone here. Thanks for watching. Thanks for subscribing. I appreciate all your support. Made a mistake today. Just thought I'd share it with everybody. I was flying my Mavic Pro, trying to do a range test, and screwed up. Didn't look at my maps. Almost ended up in a no-fly zone. So if you want to see what happens when you get close to a no-fly zone, watch this video. Enjoy, you guys. Please subscribe and click the notification bell. Yeah, it's a little bit windy out here.
Take off.
This is the weather from the flight from airdata.com. It's hard to tell, but there's a lot of snow falling all around me in the mountains. Just entered sport mode. My plan was to do a range test with the Mavic Pro, but unfortunately I didn't map out my flight. There she goes. $1,700 feet. At least I'm not getting high wind warnings today. 85% battery. It's all just cattle country out here. Growing hay. Gotta be careful because there is a small airport over there. I honestly didn't notice the cows when I was flying over. I'm glad I didn't spook them. Town of Boulder's off to the right. Coming up on the river here pretty soon.
Danger, Will Robinson! Danger! No, Will Robinson! Danger!
I honestly wasn't looking at my map, and I had no idea what those buildings were. Turns out it's a youth detention center. I'm coming into the no-fly zone. Watch my speed on the lower left.
Restricted zone reached.
Okay, bringing her back. It's over 2 miles, so. I was trying to go full speed out of there, but it wouldn't let me.
Restricted zone reached.
Got a ways to go. I'm at the base of those mountains up there. I do hear a plane coming. It's pretty high altitude. I had a feeling that was going to happen here. Got a great signal though. Should be dead in front of me though. Wind must have picked up a little bit. Oh, here comes the snowflakes. Great. High wind velocity. Alright, I'm right down at that crossroad down there. I'm gonna bring it back. It's a little cold to be flying. Like I said, it's a little cold today, so probably just gonna land her. Yeah. That's the obstacle avoidance going off.
Landing.
And it wasn't the airport that was setting off the alarm. So those buildings right over there, I didn't realize I was that close to it. Getting on the freeway here, head back to basic. A little sloppy. I was just over on the other side of that town there. Town you can't see anymore. I went to Boulder. And then it's followed me over there. It's a little bit nasty. So I made this with Google Earth Pro. It's my flight map from airdata.com. Has all the alerts that came up during the flight. That was the detention center, and here's the airport. So I was way off. It's got your battery percentage, and also, like I said, any warnings that came up, like high wind velocity warning. This is all post-flight though. Pre-flight, you should be looking in your Fly app at the geo zones and making sure you're not going to do something disastrous like me.